Welcome to the narrowboat that James built. Hope you're all well. Just a quick update video tonight. This is the starboard side battening, which has all been finished now. So that didn't even take a day. I've been starting with the bow as well. But yeah, that starboard side's all finished now. There's my mattress for tonight. I had to move it out of the way because I've been in the bow. When I got back to the boat earlier, I saw Paul tinkering away at the back, so I'll show you what he was up to, and I'll show you how I got on with the bow.
Oh, don't put it in the water until we fix that, will you?
No, I think I'll leave it for a while until that's back in. Excellent. So the rudder's off.
Yeah, rudder's off. I'm going to take the rudder into the workshop. I'm going to take that prop and that shaft, separate them two in the workshop. Yeah, it's
So
just a matter of we'll get a plate. We'll get a plate made. I think you're already on to some engineering firm. Nice thick plate to go on the back there. Some sort of plate on the other side. There's a little bit of support. Yeah, get Richie, you know the fella who's over there working on his car.
Yeah.
Get him over there to weld it.
Happy days.
He's coded welder. Really trust his underwater stuff.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Now I've done a few of these. I've worked out the best kind of system of doing it. So put the glue on first, then offer it up. And the tricky part about doing this was getting the bend in the timber to begin with. So I already had a bit of a test of it and I thought it could go. So here it is with the uprights attached. And really just kind of inching it into place. Lots of the supports falling down and bashing me on the head, so it was a bit of a swear-a-thon. But it worked really well using these supports. You can see there the piece of 19mm timber at the top certainly took the curve and fixed down nicely, and they're just fitting in that last piece to go between the last bit of the gap there. So all in all, really happy with how that went on, yeah, going to do the other side tonight. So have a good evening, hope you're all well, see you tomorrow.